harder
to come. Yeah. I mean, bro, we are creating higher highs and higher lows, so I would most likely sit out of these.
What I think right now is that we're making 4-hour lows.
Yeah, and plus this 4-hour candle. Wait, no. So I think the 4-hour candle does have a top wick, and now it's flipping bearish. But I don't know. I wouldn't be in these. This is just like I just this whole area here.
Good morning, good morning. Alright, welcome everyone. Morning. So just a little breakdown of yesterday. Let me get rid of that. Put that on. Get that off as well. Okay, beautiful. So, looking like, yeah, GJ is rejecting a little bit of an area. Nice. Right, let me put this on over here. Okay, so, we're going to get into this in a second. Let's take a look at the news though, first off, sorry. So, today, we're okay. Yeah, we're okay to start off with. Very nice. Okay, let's get into GJ over here. So, daily candle on GJ is bullish right now, making a little bit of support. Okay, very nice. The last daily candle closed bearish below. Bearish, rejecting the previous area up here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time closed very, very bullish. Yeah. So 4-hour time frame closed very bullish. Just before, so holding a nice big support. Say look then on the hourly, the 30 minute, the 15. So hourly 30 minute 15, you can start to see that we have a little bit of resistance, which makes sense. Just above this area over here. So yeah, 161,400. And we have a level of support right around this area. I'd say 169.84. Let's take a look on the 30 minute. Yeah, we're back down there. However, we could also make some supports, around these areas where the resistance was. I'm just gonna write my line there. So for me, I think that we are in a little bit of a range over here. If we do break above this 4-hour time frame, we should continue at least to 585, which is all the way up here. Let me just draw that on, which makes sense because that's the level of support right there. And if we break above there, then we're going to continue bullish to the highs again, like yesterday. So for me, I'm probably in for these buys, to be honest with you. I know that this hourly just closed bearish, and it's just making a top wick. My only issue is the last 4-hour closed so strongly bullish. I don't think I'd want to take the sells. Yeah. So we'll see. Looking like it's making a top wick, breaking the lows, so might continue down, but I'm probably just gonna wait a little bit lower. A little bit higher for some buys above, I think. So just write this in. So buys above 161,398. 396, sorry. Yeah, beautiful. So that's probably what I'm gonna look for there. Which is okie dokie. Let's fit this on. But yeah, the reason for this is because it's in this crappy area here. The 4-hour time is so strongly bullish. I don't trust these sells. Okay, don't really trust the sells. So yeah, Isn't GJ 3-minute closure back in the range? I mean, yeah, but the range is kind of choppy, and the last 4-hour time frame goes very bullish, right? 3 hours left. This candle's just making a low wick to then continue, right? Yeah. Whereas normally I like it when the 4 hours are flipping. How was the doctor's appointment? Good. Got me sorted out, which is good. Just 1 minute 8-pip trade is all I need. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wait for buys above here. For sells, I mean this zone is just a little bit choppy, right? Yeah, sells are gonna be kind of hard. I hope it breaks out of this fucking area because GJ's not in the nicest range. Okay, let's take a look at AJ. So AJ.
Hey Max, how's it going?
What?
How's it going, Max? Good morning, squad.
Good, we're good. Good morning, good morning.
I just got AJ 10
boy.
pips. I put on Telegram chart.
Ah, fuck, did I just miss it? Take a look at the 4-hour timer. It's kind of the same thing though here. 4-hour close very strong bullish. The daily though closed very bearish, which is nice. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly closed bearish. Okay. So the only issue I have with like buys on these JPY pairs are oh shit, 1 second. Like we are 1 second. Always continuing up. So I think I'd rather prefer buys, to be honest with you. But looks good. I mean, how do you get 10 pips just from there, or up there?
Oh no, on the flip on 50 minutes.
Ah, nice.
On the low, sorry. On the low, sorry. I put on Telegram group.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
put my chart. I was waiting for that retracement, that with the bullish candle. And that's also a daily retest.
Yeah, so now this for me is probably quite a key level. Look how the support line is here. So for me, buys above 91.011 or 109 would be nice to continue bullish to 91.376. So I think that would be pretty reasonable because then the 4-hour will be flipping bullish back. Yeah. So that's okay for me. I think I'd probably wait for buys above here. Let me just write this on. Buys above 91.111. I think that would be kind of nice. Where you learn how to trade, Mr. Rajabanks on YouTube. Okay, let's take a look on gold as well. 1 second. Let me just message something. Caught GJ buys this morning 164.54 for 50 pips. Oh my god. All the way down here? Fucking hell. Right there. Nice. Stop loss below. Oh no, stop loss kind of beefy. One second.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh shit, I just deleted my fucking thing. Oh my god, I have as well. 1 second. Oh, what the fuck? I think I fucked up the YouTube thing. 1 second. How do I get onto the fucking 1 second? I just accidentally clicked off the fucking thing. Oh, there. Okay, beautiful. I'm back. Okay. I think, bro, I think Euro GBP will go down so hard. Nice. That's great. Great news for someone that trades it. Oh shit, gold is coming up over here. Okay, so gold, the only issue with gold is the daily candle. Look at this daily candle closing bearish. I mean, it was actually right at support there, which is okay, but this could be making a top wick to then continue back down. But let's take a look then. So the daily time frame holding a level of support. Let me put that on there. The 4-hour time frame bullish, nearly breaking the previous 4-hour highs. That's kind of nice to confirm that it may be continuing back up. Hourly time frames and 30-minute and 50-minute. So hourly resistance is at 1864, so we're passing that right now. Let's take a look at the 50-minute time frame. Yeah, 50-minute time frame. There is a bit of resistance right here. So I mean, if this candle closed, that could be kind of nice and drive up to. I mean, first TP would be there, 10 pips. Second one would be up there, 1869. That would be kind of nice. To look at the hourly. Hourly's already broken the previous highs of the previous candle, but yeah, maybe a closure above 1865. The only issue you have is this daily level, right? Which might turn me off, because look, the daily candles closed bearish below. Let me just record this. The daily candles closed very, very strongly bearish. I expect this one to make a top wick. Where would it make a top wick to? Well, this area. You know, this is the previous support, so this is the area where I'd want it to reject. Then flip and continue bearish. So yeah, buys on gold may not be the best outcome right now. Bro, I think yeah. So we'll see. Let's put this on. We'll take a look at some charts as well. Gold buys above 1864.7. Yeah, I mean, yeah. If you get a nice strong closure, nice low work, and a nice little drive, yeah, I think you'll be able to push it into this zone for sure. So we'll just be patient. We'll be patient. And yeah, so yeah, guys, people yesterday who haven't came on, we took 2 trades NY session, 2 big fat stinking dubs. One was harder than the other, but yeah. So take a look at the wins right now. I still want to make this. I'm still trying to make this so I can give it to you guys, but I just can't do it. It just doesn't let me do it. But anyway, you can see it here. So 10 trades taken already in this month. Very nice. 87.5% win rate. That's what I like to see. How much is GJ win rate? GJ win rate is 1 second. GJ win rate is 100% right now. That's what we'd like to see, bitch. I'll be posting a recap of last night's trade because it was very, very fun. I'll show you the recap of it actually in a sec if we get a trade over here. But yeah, I'm just going to be waiting. I don't trust these sells on these pairs. Why? Well, the 4-hour candle I would rather have like down there when we're flipping into it, and the last one's already bearish. Whereas right now, look, the last 4-hour candle was bullish as shit. So taking sells, you know, don't really make sense. Always look at the higher time frames as well. Yeah. So yeah. I've heard you learn from Raja. I was wondering if you could talk about the things you received from his course. I didn't do his course. I literally just turned up to his YouTube channel every day for 3 years, 2 years, 2 years. Yeah. I didn't buy anything apart from Magic Keys and Raja. But that's just because I didn't really need, like, you know, I just learned. I just listened. So I knew that he'd be just saying the same thing on the other time. So. Yeah, I don't know. Those are the things. So looking like goldie's coming down. Very interesting. Yeah, I don't trust these gold buys. Why? Well, because the daily time frame is just making the top wick, right? So yeah. Imagine made 150k yesterday. Yeah. Good morning. Yesterday I was on stream. Today I have a win, but gold I had a loss. Because the break-even price was hit stop loss, is that right? Yeah, man, it was too late. That's what happened with mine, brother. Mine, I got out on -3 pips, but most people close 10 pips, 80%. Unfortunately, I couldn't write the message quick enough because it was so quick. But it's all good. Don't worry about it. Yeah. So we'll see. Let's take a look at this hourly time frame. Hourly has broken the lows, as I said, but I just don't like this area. This area is garbage, right? We wanted closer back in the zones yesterday after NY. In NY, below here, below like these levels. It looks like you kind of got it, but I don't know how you would have got in, to be honest. Maybe on this one making a top wick and then flipping or breaking the lows here. Maybe. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I'll probably just wait for this closure above. We'll see what the crack is. But I'm going to be very cautious because I just don't think gold is a buy right now. Could do something similar to what it did over here, but I just feel that these sells are going to be a little bit stronger for me. So yeah, dollar is in gold buys. Nice. Well, we'll see how they go right now. At the moment, that price action looking a bit garbage. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm really wanting GJ and that's to start pushing up higher. I really wanted to leave this zone, to be honest. So yeah, close a nice 20% this week so far. Wow, nice 20%. Jeez, you must be having that 1 to 500 leverage. How's people in the Zoom over here? Wow, Brian, I saw the entry was nearly there by like fucking 2 pips. I came back on, I was like, oh my god, that was close. Sick.
It was so close, man. Yes, I tell you. Just waiting. It just tanks right there.
It's good though. It's a good area though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's move this over here. So charts for the stream. Let's take a look at some charts for the stream there, guys. Take a look. Also, send me some charts what you did yesterday, maybe. Daily analysis on AJ. I prefer sells today, 96.30. But if there's a close above here, I may look for buys. Yep, I agree. Sells are gonna be looking nicer. The daily candle closed bearish below as well. Clean area for today's candle to come down for weekly resistance. Yes, very nice. Very, very nice. Does look very good. So we'll see. So yeah, later on I'm gonna post our little recap of the NY trade, which is gonna be cool. Okay, buys above closure 4-hour daily withers. Okay, yep, that's what I'm looking for. Clean candles above as well, like 66 pip range. That's not too bad. Sells below 843. Yeah, I mean that gets a bit hard because this area is crap, but I think you might be able to squeeze it out. But yeah, looking good, looking good. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It's all good. We got the GG after. Sells below 1863. Let's take a look. 1863.2. I don't know where you get an 1863.2. It's just in the middle there. So yeah, I'll have to wait. Back from a long vacation. Hope I don't forget how to trade properly. Oh wow, long vacation. Looking like AJ and GJ are already coming up. Yeah, the hourly close bearish though, so I'll probably just wait for at least this 30 minutes close. I'll show you this this little video. Where the fuck was it? This may be ear raping a little bit, but I'll try and yeah. Here it is.
Has it even broke the highs yet?
So this is the trade I took yesterday.
Break the highs, bitch.
So it was at it was at like 12:30.
Can't hear it.
Let's go.
Wait, what?
Baby.
You can't hear it?
Barely.
Okay, let me turn this bitch up. Just don't want people to get ear raped here. Oh wait. Do I even have the fucking zoom on? 1 second. That's why. There we go.
Let's go, baby. Hold
Here
on
we
again.
go. Come on. Yeah.
Break the high.
I talk too
Fucking
much.
launch. The fucking launch.
Past my phase one.
Come on, bitch. Fucking pop. Come on, bitch. Stop playing with me.
Dick. Come on, kick it like a mother.
You had Michael on yesterday. I
Yeah.
didn't realise.
Yeah, Michael.
Go on, come on, let's get the 12. Get the 12. Get the 12. Get the 12. Go.
This is taking so long, man. I just want to secure. Come on,
As soon
bro.
as I
Oh,
see.
there we go.
Go.
Go. Yeah, let me go 12 pips.
Go.
Go 12 pips. Like, go. You're like,
Fuck,
go.
I'm a cockhead. Sorry, everyone.
Ah, it's fucking great. It's great. It's great fucking.
Did you pass it, Finn?
Yep.
Fuck yeah.
Oh my god.
50-minute didn't close above, and yeah, it's still in this kind of crappy thing.
Thanks. I think you have to edit and put in the chanting arrows you casted on that GP.
Yeah. I did. I had them on a little bit before, but yeah, I need to put the one a little bit more, right? Let's take a look at this GG. Gold, sorry. Yeah, I don't know with this gold. How can we trade with you during
Do you
NY
know-
sessions? The mentorship link, yeah.
Do you know how this chart looks like now on gold?
What?
Have you heard of cup and handle?
No.
Yes, that's exactly what's forming.
That's a bullish confirmation. I think.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah, can I draw it? It's this. So that's your cup. It's your cup. That's your handle, and then poof.
Ah.
I've also seen it a few times, but it doesn't happen a lot.
No,
Pair
but
one.
when it does, it usually rockets off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, if this next 30-minute close is above, then I don't really see why not. Because this zone is what? 47 pips. It's not too bad. So we'll see. We'll see. I think at around about, yeah, because I'm going to be flipping that 4-hour flip, which would be looking tasty. We'll then be continuing up. It's a shame that that little minor resistance is there, but actually that zone from here to here is still 15 pips. It's not even on the high. On second. Yeah, let me just take a look at how big this zone is. 17 pips, and then above we've got the nice zone. So we'll see. Yeah, I love watching them. I put that one on TikTok. Let's see if it blew up last night. I just put it on TikTok and just forget about it. Nah, I didn't really. TikTok is a funny place posting content now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I sent to my wife to show her how much fun we have earning money. Okay, let's take a look. Bad news on yen today about inflation. Looks like GJ is gonna fly. Oh wow. Okay, we'll take a look at that. That'd be nice. That'll be nice. Let me just put the watermarks back on because people are shitting themselves.
I like the AJ cells on daily. On the flip, looks very nice. Clean zone downstairs.
Yeah.
On daily, check the daily chart. Zoom out, please.
Yeah.
See? So nice. Hoping just making a top wick.
That 4 hours very strong though. This is my only thing. The 4 hours is just
And
strong.
that's Asia.
candle. Yeah. But yeah, can we make the choice? I mean, so if it comes back below there, basically on the 1 hour, that looks pretty good. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. So I'd be looking for sells below here, right? Because this zone from here to here is, oh shit, the zone is 48 pips and the nearest support is there, so yeah, I'll be looking for sells below there. Very nicely. Very nice. There we go. So yeah, it's pretty. I'm just gonna do that below it like that. Oh shit. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, we'll look for it down there if it does come to it, but at the moment I still think it's a little bit bullish right now. Okay. I've got same AJ daily flipping, then to beautiful Craig, very nice. Yep, that's why I got my cells marked out. That's what I like to see. Crypto's melting again. No way. Oh my god, people are gonna be in some serious.
It's recovered a bit since yesterday.
Oh yeah,
but
it has, yeah. But not a lot. Fuck. Some people's wallets are fucking low as shit right now. Oh my god. Yeah, I might run up some right now. Good morning, guys. Good morning, my man. Gold setting up for a meltdown. I don't know. Yeah, it's just like not nice, right? But 50 minutes, still got 7 minutes left. As long as it doesn't break the low and close above, then it should eventually push up. But it's just, yeah, it's not the nicest. Look at the wicks to the left and the hourly here as well. I'm just gonna be a little bit cautious. Check charts at stream. Okay. Cells below here look good. Okay, 1863. Is this on gold? Okay, let's take a look. So, cells look good there. Do they really look good there, do you think? Why would they not look good there? There's quite a lot of things. Well, first of all, the 4 hour just closed very, very bullish. So, you know, cells taking cells just when the candles close bullish and like right at the flip is probably not the best idea. Also, if you take a look at the 4 hour time frame, look where you'll be selling into. You'll be selling into a resistance. Sorry, not a resistance, a support, which sucks balls. So, yeah. Gold bullish pattern pre-market, yeah. We'll see. We will see. I'm just gonna wait for this closure above. If it gives me a closure above, then I may join in. But I'm not too bothered, you know, it's 7:20. Normally gold trades happen later on. Normally actually at 9 o'clock, so I'm not too asked about it, if I'm honest. So 50-minute close bullish, there we go. So it's kind of really respecting that kind of level right there. Nice to see. And yeah, we'll see. I'm still waiting for these buys above here. What do you think about GJ? Buys above there. That's what I'm looking for. I finally fixed my headset, so my ear isn't gonna fucking hurt like shit. So that's pretty good. Yeah, wow, crypto portfolios, damn. I told you I sold my shit perfectly. Me and Vincent sold our shit nicely.
Yeah, we gotta buy some when it drops a little bit more. And do the same in a few months.
Oh yeah. Just drop a little bit more and then I'll be happy. GU buys incoming. Oh, nice. Max, can you have a look at my chart, please? Sure. Have you got it in the chat? Let's take a look. Yeah, always send me charts, you know. Oh, here, sorry, my man. I think this is it. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. You sent me 2 charts now, and I like the way you work. I like the way you do it. So, buys above 161556. Yeah, that's fair enough for me. I don't mind getting in a little bit lower, like here, because the zone from there to there is like 17 pips. So that's enough for me. But beautiful if you just want to wait for a bit higher. Oh shit, 1 second. The fucking... I keep my microphone, not microphone, my camera keeps on fucking up. 1 second. There we go, we're back. Yeah, so I think for above there, it could be okay, for sure. Very nice. Cells below, you're being very, very safe with the cells. And I agree, the cells are going to be hard, man. Cells are going to be hard in this area, so I'd avoid getting hit there for sure. And yeah, I'm still waiting for these very, very patiently. I mean, recently, the past couple of days, London hasn't been the best. I mean, yesterday, guys, I missed London because of that doctor's appointment. Like, and fuck, there's 2 entries on, one on GJ and one on gold I would have taken, which kind of sucks, but can't do much about it. So yeah. So you see here, like the 50-minute close bullish, the 30 minutes made the top wick and potentially flipping. So it's contradicting, man. You don't know which way it's gonna go. So just leave it out, and you should be good. Looking like gold hasn't broken the lows yet. It's still in this area. It's just not nice. 50 likes, guys. Make sure to like up the stream. 268 people over here waiting patiently. Oh yeah, remember guys to do that payback effect. If you're on IC markets, I'd highly recommend doing it. Yeah, it saves you a shitload of money. I advise doing it. It's kind of nice as well. It's called payback effects. I'm not sponsored by them. I fucking asked to be sponsored by them. They go, we don't have a affiliate link. I was like, what? You don't have an affiliate link? You fucking alright? Anyway. But yeah, you just get some commissions back. I get 37% of them back. That's a big chunk. That's more than a third. It's pretty good. Okay, GJ breaking the lows. Interesting. But as I say, you know, in this area, I'm just gonna be patient. Daily candle closed bearish. I've got all the way down to these daily levels I can take some trades in, but this level here, I'm not too happy with because the last 4 hour closed so strong. It's just contradicting, right? So, just contradicting the shit out of time frames. So, we'll wait. So I wonder how Dr. Dollar's gonna manage risk over here. If I think he'll probably just hold. Ooh, look at them 30-minute candles. Ooh, I would not be in buys right now anymore. But yeah, we'll just stay chilling. So yeah, I mean, this week I've taken. Have I taken any trades this week on London? No, I haven't. It's the 9th. Yeah, no, I haven't. No trades taken out in London, but can you see? I mean, the same thing as last week, right? Monday, Tuesday. You know, it wasn't the most aggressive or the best sessions. Just wait out until the big candles come later on in the week, and then there you go. JP buy GJ and got slapped. Nice. Who's JP? JP Savage, another Savage. He bought GJ and got clapped. Okay. Yeah. Well. Yeah. I think with the Savages, they trade the same kind of, not the same way, but they trade the same kind of pairs and stuff, and the same kind of direction. The issue they have is that sometimes they get in a little bit earlier with bigger stops, whereas I get in later with smaller stops, and I get in later specifically for these reasons, so I don't get hit out as easy. When actually the move could be alright, you just gotta wait a little longer. Doc said no vaping and drinking for a month. I said I got some acid reflux like after nights out, like badly, and like just throughout normal days really. She goes, yeah, you need to stop drinking coffee and stop eating curries and drinking so much. So I'm like, great. So now I'm drinking water, which is really shit. Very esto shito. That is the ground I come to you. Yeah, exactly, Jolie. Well, it's just consistency, right? I mean, like, you know, it's just like I've got pretty much the same win rate. Well, I mean, nearly the same win rate as Don right now, but I make 1.4% every trade. So it's like best of both worlds, man. Best of both worlds, man. That's how we do.
Just got Miley Cyrus in my head when you said that. Remember that best of both worlds thing?
Yeah, fucking Hannah Montana. Fuck yeah. 30-minute close bearish. I mean, look at the hourly. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna personally take like a trade like this, but I mean, if this kind of makes a top wick there and if reflips and breaks the low, then you might be able to. But for me, there's no direction. There's no. I've got the 4-hour close. I mean, the 4 hours bearish, but also just remember, it's also very strong. The previous 4 hours, so I just don't trust it. The daily's also bullish. So this is when, can you see again? Look where we are in this zone. what do I always say? If the 4 hour and the daily and price is between those lines, it's probably not the best, unless it's a very, very, very amazing, clean setup. If the 4 hour and the daily, if the price is between the 4 hour and the daily time frame, it means the daily's bullish, the 4 hours bearish, or vice versa, and it means that the higher time frames are contradicting themselves, which just isn't a vibe. It means that the higher time frames are getting confused of where to go. So how are you gonna guess or make a good prediction of where price is gonna go when the higher time frames don't even know where to go? Okay, I say this every single stream, but it's so important. Keep the higher time frames always in the back of your head of what's happening. Okay, so gold coming down over here. So I wonder how Mr. Dr. Dollar has managed risk. Let's take a look. I'm intrigued to see. I like watching other people see how they manage risk and stuff. It helps mine, helps everything. So let's take a look over here. So I always go through people's wins, through people's losers on streams, because it just gives me a good representation.
Spread took me out, sir. The difference between dollar and the haters is that he cuts his losses spread. Y'all let it run forever.
So 30 pips, okay, beautiful. So it looks like he didn't risk manage, but that's okay. So I think for me, if I was personally in that trade, which I think I would.
What is that okay, Max?
I don't think I wouldn't have been, but I think I would have probably closed full there when that 50-minute closed bearish.
Dr. Dollar.
Because the 30-minute.
Is that 50 lots? Is that 50 pips loss?
50 pips? No, I don't think so. I think it was. Oh, I think it was 30. Yeah, 30. Okay, let's take a look over here. That was an early entry. What do you think about Controller FX? Very, very good. Very amazing guy. Very, warm-hearted. A good, strong trader as well. And yeah, he provides a lot of value, and he's a good lad. I think people who hate on Controller are just, I don't know, mad that this little guy is smashing the streams. So yeah, it's good that we're already passing loads of people. Check DC Trading and Company live stream. Let's take a look over here. Let's go share some love for everyone. Share some love, considering we are the biggest streamer on YouTube. Oh, fuck off. First year anniversary since our first trading stream. Wow.
Let's see.
See, that's mad. Oh shit, it might be mine. It might be mine soon, Wait, shit, I need to check that out. When did I start streaming? Yeah, I'm gonna take a look on that. That's gonna be interesting. Yeah, it's only 7:30, guys. So remember, just don't worry about it, man. What I always say is, if there's not a massive, amazing setup, at 7 o'clock or 7:15, then just don't take it, right? Just chill out. Just check it out. We are getting t-shirts, Max, just sticking out of you. I get you all trading like fucking trading mugs and shit. I want. To be fair though, none of you guys actually with the cameras. Who has cameras on? It's only Milan. I know Billy. I know, is that Billy? Yeah. Billy's got his on, but no one else has their cameras.
Why is that?
I went a full. It's because they're not as handsome as you, Milan. You put them to shame.
I want to see other people.
You want to see other people. What the fuck was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna check my YouTube thing. Let me just check the charts. So gold coming down. Okay. And yeah, AJ and that, they're all just kind of chilling. So don't worry about it. So let's take a look and see. It might be a year. Yeah, wow, that went kind of quick. Not gonna lie. Oh my god, Charlie Veach was at Leeds. Shit, I need to check that. Okay, content. Lives. Look at all these lives. Mate, look at this consistency. No slacking. Right, let's take a look. Next page. How many pages? Oh shit. Oh, yeah, I can do rows per page. 1 second. Let's take a look over here. Okay, this is September. Oh my fucking god. Nearly there now, I think. Okay, so I think the first one, 'cause I tested it. Yeah, look, I did a test on the 20th of June, and then I started on the 23rd of July. So I still got away. 23rd of July. Let's take a look what this looked like again. I'm gonna make a new OBS thing because these fonts here are fucking garbage. I literally made it in 15 seconds. So yeah, let's take a look.
Yes, sir.
Oh, did I take any trades? Look how many views I got. Look at
well,
this.
as
Look
you
at
can
the
see
chat.
here for
The
the
chat's so small.
Hourly time frame looks quite good.
To be fair, look at my chat. My chat wasn't even that bad since the start. Oh shit.
See what I'm looking for. Dude. So there as well, which I've been using.
Yeah, I remember doing this right, and I remember I wanted like the chat to be full here, so I'm trying to like type just to see if it would come on, and it never did because just chat is too low. Oh my god. So 23rd July, I need to remember that. 23rd of July. Gold pullback. Yeah, well, I mean, just look at the daily time frame on gold, right? What did I say before? You know, it's retapped at a previous level. It's very, very bearish. Yes, it's right at the support, but it doesn't mean that it ain't gonna fucking fly past it, you know, later on. Let's look at the hourly time frame now. Yeah, so now, I mean, it's coming back down to this level of support here. 1858. So Gucci. 4 hour onion on gold if 4 hours will close bearish. Yeah. I'd like that. Some resistance forming on the 4 hour would be nice. Sells below 161 promise. Are you promising me? 161? Well, right here? Okay. See, I don't know if like these people have like never been to my streams or like kind of just hopping on like randomly. It's like, so you're gonna take a sell in the middle of a zone where the price action's bad. The next support is just 10 pips away. You're scraping it, maybe 8 or 7. Could you get Raj on your stream? I mean, I could ask him, but he doesn't really reply to me anymore. He doesn't reply to me. He used to reply to me when I was really small, but that was also when he was kind of small as well. So, Max, do you think this is sensible? Let's take a look at a chart. Also, people in the Zoom, we are going through the homework after this. People who've also just sent me theirs personally as well. I'm still going to go through yours after, so don't worry about it. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, USD dollar. Okay, so it looks like you took a trade. Did you take a trade? I mean, pretty bog standard, pretty standard for how you lost this trade. So overall trend is bearish. You can see pretty easily you're bearish. Okay, so the main thing you should be focusing on is the sells. Price comes up to this level, doesn't close above. You take an impulse entry, trying to buy back up, and then you lose it. So the things you did wrong there was the trend was wrong, and even if the buy closed here, you'd have to wait for a closure. So something like this. Something like this. Next one makes a nice low wick, rejects the previous zone, flips, breaks the high, then you'll get a push. So I think just getting in a bit impulsively is gonna hurt you significantly. Okay, so just wait for the closure, right? But apart from that, okay, this zone very, very crappy, so don't trade this range. But yeah, always send me a chart so I can look at these L's, because the L's are the ones that you might just go, why didn't that wouldn't work out, and you just move to the next trade. It's like, bro, look at your L's. That's how you're gonna make them better. I did the homework, but you might laugh at me. Why, Ron? I would never laugh at this. I would never laugh at this. Dollar looking at gold sells now. Nice.
Wait till you see it, Max.
Huh? Wait till I see it. Have you sent me on Telegram?
I haven't sent it. No.
Yeah. Send it.
I didn't know where to send it.
Should have me as if you just type in stop loss. Oh no, wait. Let me just DM you 1 second. Wait 1 second. What's your name in here? Ron. Is it just Ron? There's so many fucking people in here now. Oh, there, Ron. Is this you, Ron? Ron Kirby.
Hey Brian, he didn't answer your message. He saw it. He was unread.
Where? Wait, Ron, is this you?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay,
Yeah,
wicked.
Ron.
Send a message. Hello. Right, you'll see a pop-up now, and then you can send it there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so does people say that the dollar's in gold sells now? Nice. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Okay, let's take a look. The book you recommended trading the zone has been extremely insightful. Thank you again. This will change a lot for me. Yeah, I think it'll change. I think it'll change a very mediocre amount, to be honest. It gives you what you should be thinking, but if you can't teach that yourself, you're pretty fucked. So like, you'll go through about risk management, you'll go through about over trading and stuff, and it's good to like hear it, I suppose, but putting it in place is a different fucking ball game.
Yeah, that's the
You know
thing.
what I mean? Like it's all nice to hear it, but when you're at the chart and you're like, shit, I want to take this trade again, are you gonna click that button?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It gives you the tools to become better, but you really have to do what it said.
Yeah.
That's the thing. That's the hardest part.
Exactly. So, GJ, closed bearish. The 30-minute also closed bearish. It's made a top wick. If it breaks the low, I mean, I don't see why not. 13 pip stops, we're breaking the lows. But for me, I'm not taking the sells. This zone is way too crap. Why is it crap? Well, you know, if I make the zone up for all the support... One second, over here. I think maybe Ron might be. So if I can mark up all these supports, so there's one there, there's one there, there's one there, there's resistance there. Can you see that this area is just going to be an absolute pain in the ass for me trading? Not 10 times out of 10 times, but it's going to be pretty bad most of the time, so I'd rather just leave it. Thank you, Ron. I'll take a look at that, my man, later on. How are you, Maximus? I'm good. I'm still a bit ill, to be honest. I've been ill for a while now, which kind of sucks. What do you think about Holy Prophet's channel? I don't really watch Holy Prophet. What do you think about Holy Prophet, Milan? Milan's been in every single mentorship group you could possibly think of, so that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, fuck him.
Okay,
fuck him.
fuck
He's
him.
doing the support resistance, buy and sell.
Okay. Milan's been in every single mentorship, and the only one he stayed at is mine. That's just telling you.
Yeah, just ask me which group I'm gonna answer you.
Yeah, he's been on all of them. That's so funny.
No Holy Prophets.
Yeah. Sells below 161, 10 pips is worth it. Go for it. Go for it. I still don't trust these sells, you know. Do you agree with me, Bri? Is Bri here? Brian.
Yeah, I'm here. On GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, the zone's tight, and you're building support above 161. So
yeah, boy. Yeah,
I don't think it'll come down.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I like GG buys, yeah. Ask Milan what he thinks about Forex Broker Killer. I don't think you heard that one. Holy Profits to go buy GJ to trade. In hindsight, do you think that gold sell was worth it? Let's take a look. I mean, the only hindsight of getting in would have been there, right? Stop loss would have been 22 pips. Yeah. Yeah, because you had the daily, you know, I always talk about gold now, even if you don't have the daily with you, what's the overall trend? The trend is the most important thing, and for me it sells, right? It's bearish. So yeah, that would have been kind of nice. The only thing, oh, that 30 closure was good.
Yeah, the 30-minute looked nice, but it was a 28 pip stop. I was looking at it and I was like, no, thank you.
Yeah, you could have just used the 15 stops, I suppose. 22 pips. But yeah, that's true. Yeah, that 30 was kind of nice, man. It's like rejecting really hard. Kind of nice. Seven Gonzala. I hit TP1 but didn't secure, then stop loss. What would you make hesitant on taking a trade from 1862 stop loss at 1863 and short to 1860? Well, it's already done now. The reason why I was kind of hesitant is because the 15 didn't really close below either, but the 30 looked nice. So yeah. So GJ breaking the high of the previous 30-minute time frame, very nice. Very, very nice. Good to see. Good to see. Wow, it's so early. 328 people in here, man. I'm used to these fucking numbers now. It's mad. When is London open? 8 o'clock. So in 13 minutes. 13 minutes. At the moment, there's still nothing, but you know, I'm happy. I'm happy sitting here. I'm happy chilling. I'm happy with my trades taken for this month already. Okay, so focus on chilling when you need to chill. Okay, so important. And I know, like, I want to take a trade on stream as much as, you know, you guys want to take a trade on stream, because I get a clip on Instagram. It's sick, you know. Makes my YouTube, you know, pop. I have more followers and stuff. But if there's no trades, I ain't taking any. That's the discipline you gotta have. It's a discipline you've got to have. What platform? What do you use for trading? What platform? So TradingView to like mark the charts, and then MetaTrader to take the trades. Because MetaTrader is absolutely an abomination to software in the terms of just using it. Oh my god, I fucking hate it. Just moving a chart and just seeing what's to the left hand side just doesn't work. It just pisses me off every time I use it. Every time I backtest, at least I think I complain about it at least twice. Guys, we trade the session on the 4-hour candle is very important. Look at the previous 4-hour; it's so strong. Every move down on the 4-hour can be just a bottom wick. Daily also reaching a support. Amazing, man, good lad. Yep, it's exactly what we talk about. You know, the 4-hour time frames. I mean, apart from G gold, sorry, because the gold is different. But yeah, for GJ, you know, the 4-hour time frame is so bullish here. I just can't really take the sells. This guy is talking too much nonsense. I'm leaving. Okay, go to another stream. Thank you very much, Ibrahim. Ibrahim Mamadov. Damn. Also, before you leave, make sure you dislike the stream as well, Ibrahim. Thank you very much. Right, let's take a look at this hourly again. Yeah, it's just ass zone. Patience, exactly, Maynard, exactly. Everyone in the chat just fucking that guy up now. Yeah, fuck him up. That's great. Mate, my stream is not toxic for me at all. This is great. Some guy just tried to slag me off and I have about 10 people going, yeah, fuck you, this guy, you know, you suck, Ibrahim. Fucking get out. Are you even profitable, bro? No need to delete them. No, I didn't delete them, bro. It wasn't me. It was just a mod. What is this stream for? It's for trading, my man. Trading currencies. That is the goal of the stream. So yeah, the hourly closed bearish on AJ, the previous one. So yeah, looking interesting. The 4-hour time frame. It's just a 4-hour, man. It puts me off completely. I think if you see, I mean, the amount of simulation, if you go back at them and like the trades you're taking, when all like the 4 hour correlating, the hourlies are correlating, or like recently with GJ when they're all correlating nicely, when they're not correlating and they're not going in the right direction, like bro, I'm chilling out. You know, I'm not wasting my gunshots. There's absolutely no way I am wasting them. I like your stream of knowledge. Thank you, man. How much for mentorship, bro? $49.99 a month. Put the link to join over here. Yeah, after we're going to be going through the homework, which is a homework designed for you to be able to draw your own zones. So I want to be able to see some nice ass zones. So yeah. What you want him singing Green Day. Daniel Savage bought GJ at 161,270. Oh, nice. Yeah. I think how you confirm break above zone and enter position when you get a closure above? When I get a closure above, okay. Wow, gold's broken the previous low 1860, should potentially drive down at 1858. A little bit of support there for me, so I probably wouldn't take that. Yeah, I think I probably wanted that 30-minute entry, to be honest with you. The top wick wasn't the nicest though. I think if the top would you be more entitled to take that, Scott, if that made a top wick? Like back there. I think that would have been much nicer. Much nicer. So yeah, we're chilling. Okay. Is Daniel Savage on stream as well? Take a look. Wow, we're getting a lot of YouTube streamers. Jeez! Oh my god, he's only got 100 more than me. That's ridiculous.
Guys, relax. I'm fucking with you guys in the YouTube.
How big are your stops?
Are you guys on the Zoom seeing the YouTube chat? This shit's funny.
No.
I think buys are gonna work nicely. I think I just need some London volume in 6 minutes time, hopefully. So we'll see. But I do need it above this area. I want the 4 hour flipping. I want the 4 hour doing its thing. Ethan, how do I put money into MetaTrader 5? Yeah, just go and look online. You'll find out. I'm in a low risk buy on AJ. Looks bullish. A low risk buy. Why not a full risk buy? It's because you got in earlier, isn't it? It's because you got in earlier. I think this is the thing, right? When people say I'm in like a half risk trade or something, I know that they got into a trade which they don't have 100% confidence in, right? I hear it quite a lot. Why don't you just wait until there's an entry where you do have 100% confidence in? Because normally the half lots, maybe you'll lose it and you're like, well, yeah, I've just lost half a position. It's kind of like sucky. Why don't you just wait for a really good entry? How long do you think these live streams? How long do you think you do these live streams every day? 1 year, 10 years? I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Yeah. I see Raja takes many trades during a 4 hour flip. Why do you not do that? Because he gets in London time, which is about 4 AM. So I ain't waking up for that shit. I'm happy with my 39% last month. Until Max gets fed up with us. Bro, coming to do this work every day is a fucking pleasure. All we do is fuck about the whole time and just make some money. It's great. I couldn't not enjoy this. Buys make sense on GJ, yeah, but you know, they make sense, but they also don't make sense right now, right? They make sense later on. Max, I just sent a loss that I took on Discord. Could you check it? Yes. Beautiful. This is what I want. Losing trades. Okay. Enter on the flip. Okay. This is the GJ 30-minute chart. Okay. I can already see where you've gone wrong. But nice. So you're thinking that this is a closure above, but if you just draw this line, let's take a look over here. 1 second. Yeah, so just didn't close above, my man. Yeah, so price didn't close above. You got in too early on the break of the highs. I mean, actually, wait, what the fuck? Wait. Is it? Did you lose this trade? Oh no, I get the hourly. That was kind of nice hourly closure. Wait, did you lose it? Is this the same chart or is this someone else's? Salomon. No, this is you. How the fuck
That's a good trade.
How the fuck did you lose that trade? I mean, it didn't close on the 30. However, you got a nice low wick and you pushed, and you went like what? How many pips?
That's a good trade.
14.
Yeah,
14.
You went like 14 pips, bro. You should have taken some positions.
And put break even for sure.
Yeah. Look, so basically, what you've done here is you've tried to squeeze this zone out, right? So you've tried to get your TP right at this level. All you got to do is just press, take profit around these areas. 10, 12, 13 pips. You've got 14 pips here. That should be a break even, and that should be a 1.4% win, or 1.2% win if you're risking that. Okay. I wanted to hold. I know. Yeah, but so if you wanted
that's
to,
what greed does to you.
yeah.
If
Like
you get greedy, you get slapped.
you can hold it, but you got to put it at break even, right? Because if you take a look at it, for example, here, when this now candle comes and closes like this with the rejection, this is not a good sign. Okay, if this candle closes like this, look what's happened. The body of the candle came all the way up. It's then rejected and closed very small. So now if it breaks the low, you're pretty fucked, and obviously that happened. So it's just being greedy, man. Taking a look on this chart you gave me here, look, you haven't closed above here, right? You haven't closed above here. So take your 10, 12, 13 pips, maybe leave it a little runner on, see if it works. If it doesn't work, that's fine. Now all you got to do is wait for a closure above there, and now you're going to take another trade and another win. Okay? I think being greedy is going to be a very, very pain in the ass for you. I think just wait for a closure back above there, and then you could take the trade again. Okay? But that was beautiful. I mean, the only thing I would say is be careful because the 30 didn't really close above. But you got the low wick and you got the drive. You're happy with that impulse. And also this time frame here looked nice. Hourly looked nice. But you should be, you should have been bagging, a good percentage there, and you run a hit and break even. Okay? There's no need for it. So yeah, there you go. Hope that makes sense, man. But good, man. Send me more of them charts because that's important. It's the best thing to learn, to know. So yeah, let's take a look. How many members would you put in the group to the max limit? Well, the difference between having like 130 members right now and having like 40 is nothing. The only difference is that more people are chatting in the chat. So nothing's changed. In that sense. So yeah, unless it started having a negative effect on people, then I'll start to reel in. But right now it's good. I took that setup yesterday and got a W. Yeah, see, so you got a W, you got an L. So that's the difference, two people could be. Oh shit! Look at goal. GG, sorry. Hourly's closing bearish below. It's such a shame that the zone is just fucking garbage. So as Daniel Savage just took another L over here. Not another one, sorry.
Yeah, they all.
Let's take a look over here. Oof. Yeah, he's got to hurry up. That this fucking makes a nice top wick and flies up, but it don't look too good. Okay, let's take a look over here. How much would that be? 21 pips. Yeah, it's 21 pips stops as well, so fuck that. I'm just going to leave it out. Going back in the zone, let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, I mean, the hourly should drive down to 168.56, but it's just garbage. It's just a garbage zone, so. Straight trash. I'm going to do this. No trade zone. Goat shit, which is what Raj used to say. Goat shit. 1 second. There we go. Just to solidify that I'm not taking trades in that area, because it is garbage. So it looks like Savage is in here. They don't really risk manners. They just take this. They just take the L, right? They just take the L. Which is fair enough. What do you think of this potential trade? Ooh, send me a chart. The link isn't there though. Don't send me the full link. You're gonna send it through like Discord or something. Sells below 871. Is this on AJ? Yeah. I think I would because it's close to the daily and also the daily close bearish. Yeah. So I think AJ closing below 820, 830 there. I think that would be pretty reasonable. So maybe in the next 15-minute candle, maybe a little bit below there, maybe 8792. How big would this zone be? Yeah. The issue is that 4 hour was so strong, but I mean, if it made a top wick, then I don't see why not. 2 hourly closures, but can you see the strength of the candles? Look at the strength of the bullish candles, look at the strength of the bearish. They're very small, so I'm just being cautious because I know it's not a nice area. Oh, it's on GJ, sorry. Alright, I'm below GJ, below 8.80s. It's just crap, man. It's just a crap area. Straight ass range. It's just not something I wanted to. Can I cancel my mentorship or can I upgrade mentorship anytime? Upgrade? Yep, you can cancel anytime and you can upgrade. You can like get like 2 months or like lifetime. Yeah, do whatever you want. I'm pretty flexible. I'm not a dick. It's just yeah. Like I always just say to myself, and this is what's really helped the discipline. Is just if I lose this trade and have to journal the trade, and have to talk about how it was just in a fucking ass range. Like I'm just not gonna take it. Gold sells, nah. 1858 would be the level where it could potentially continue down to. The hourly closed right at hourly support. Can you see? So I would not be participating there. I wanted the 30-minute sells there. So yeah, we'll see. I wonder how Champion Pip's doing. Why is my stream so fucking? Any opinions on Kawi stock? I have no idea what that is. This trade didn't make sense. It'll play out, but it's the right choice. Yeah, exactly. I think that's right. Look at that GJ pushing down over here nicely. So let's take a look at how much the stops were. The stops were way too big, weren't they? Yeah, they were huge. Pushing into that zone, nice. I mean, if anyone did catch them, beautiful. But remember to take profits in these areas because it doesn't look like it moves nicely in there. So, so yeah. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm getting fucking more ill as the days go on. So yeah, simulation sessions will be starting tomorrow. That'd be nice. Let's take a look. Yeah, Mosey, you can cancel anytime. Bro, could you answer me? You gave me 2 minutes to answer. So yeah, well, let's take a look at AJ still. Look at the hourly time.
Max, do you know that difference between OANDA and that FOREX on daily flip on GJ is like closely 10 pips?
Yeah, the daily flips are. As long as you know it's bullish right now, then it's okay. 10 pips isn't that bad, is it? It's just like that.
No, but for an example, like on OANDA, GJ is close, really close to flipping the daily.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
It's 683.
Like that. Yeah, fair. I mean, it still wouldn't. I mean, yeah, it's hard, isn't it, man? I don't know what to say to it. It's like, yeah, it's just different. AJ should follow GJ with potential cleaner range. That's what I'm looking at. Looking like it's holding that level of support, so if we do get that closure below, it's probably going to be kind of nice. Max, I'm actually proud of myself because I decided to held that trade. It didn't work and I'm not mad about it. Next trade simple. Beautiful, my man. I'm proud of myself because I decided to held that trade. It didn't work and I'm not mad about it. Yeah, but I also that's good. Good being not mad about it, but I also think that, you know, don't be too greedy. If you're up like 14 pips, you should not be going into drawdown. DC has a sell stop. Nice. Yeah, I don't a sell stop here. Let's take a look. Let's go see. Let's go check out the other streamers over here. When we just are in a range and we're just vibing in a range. Let's take a look.
I was just reading the Daniel Savage's Gulag chat. Fuck, man.
What?
People are like, just dropped 80 lots and lost. I was like, whoa, 80 lots.
Shit.
People love overlegging it.
Where's he taking a trade? Where's he sell? Oh, there. Yeah, I'm not getting into them golds. Hell no. It's right hourly support. Look, if I just move that up there, can you see? Didn't even close below. Yes, you might be able to get a wick and you might be able to scrape. I mean, you might be able to, but I am not touching that. Oh my god. I want some volume in London, but to be honest with you guys, you know, we can't actually do, you know, as I said, the past 2, 3, 4 weeks on London session, it's been nice. So, you know, I gotta, you know, hold my hands up and go, you were good, GJ. So, you know, if I get a couple of days where it ranges, that's fine. We just sit on here and we vibe. Check your DMs when you can. On where? Instagram? Most of them are trolling. Oh god. Got one of my mum when the pandemic. Got one off my mum when the pandemic started. Let's take a look. Yeah, we'll see. So there we go. So people might be able to squeeze some little pips out of there, but for me, I am sitting back, chilling, waiting for something to happen. As I said numerous times before, when I was learning from Raja and I was on the streams, I'd be in lectures and I'd be just sitting there waiting for something to happen. I could be there for 3 hours, there'd be nothing there, and you just go on the next day. The discipline is very important. Right, this AJ could be okay. Five minutes left, may have enough time. AJ sells. So we'll see. Nice close like that, nice top wick. The only issue is the top wick before. How much it stops to be right now? Oh, stops at 13 pips. Oof. So I'd probably want to get in on the flips. Target down the next lows, day flip 950. 520. Beautiful. So we'll see if I get a nice closure over here. Could be nice. Hourly's broken the previous hourly lows. 30 minutes closing 90 minutes time. 50 minutes closing strong. Oh, don't push down too much. Just chill there for me, please. You're not put off by the choppy ranges left. Yeah, I would only want to get in like, you know, here. I think it might have pushed down too much, so that kind of sucks. I don't normally when we get a closure back in the range, I don't really care too much about the choppiness. It's mainly just the process of closing back below. It just fucking launches it. So what is a GJ? GJ is goat shit. Look at Goldie coming back up over here. Reflipping that 4 hour soon. Oof. Yeah, I'm not too bothered about. Can I pay your mentorship monthly until I reach the amount of the lifetime and automatically be upgraded? I might be bringing that into fruition soon, but not at this time, no. But I mean, you've got 10 months for that, and then I might have changed it by then, but we'll see. So we'll see. Yeah, so sometimes like the entries I want, I want a nice, level of closure. I mean, to be honest with you, below there is still actually pretty reasonable. The zone is still okay as long as you get a nice top wick. We'll see. We'll see. But looking now, yeah, it might have just pushed too much. Yeah. Let's take a look. So, what is GJ? Look at the 4 hour.
Now it's gonna come daily mixed.
Yeah, boy. So I may have to wait below here.
Like I said this morning. We have a nice zone below.
Yeah.
On when the GJ flipped the daily.
Yeah, we're going to be flipping soon as well. And there you go. So remember the daily candle closed bearish. The 4 hour did close bullish though, but I wanted, buys above a certain level of resistance. Didn't get that, and now it's coming back down. Very nice. Do you always wait for a candle closure? Yep. Yep, most parts. I sent a chart in Discord, mate. Let's take a look. GP AUD, enter on close below previous low. Okay, that candle. Wait, there is it that one or this one? I think it's this one. Yeah, closure below. Yeah, so I think what happened over here is how much was your stop? Your stop was, oh shit, stops are kind of, I don't know, not bad. I think 6-7 pips on there. Because your stop was kind of nice on this top wick here, you should have got in on the break of the lows. Right? Break of the lows would have been nice. They should have been the top wick when you reflip and break the lows, then the entry would have been nice. It would have been rejected there, and it would have worked out nicely. So like this closure, the closure that you got, next one makes a top wick, you then place your sell stop on the low, reflips, breaks the low, and it would have been grand, but it didn't do that. So when it closes bullish back above, you delete your sell stops, and therefore you didn't take any trade. That's what I would have done. It's easy sorted with that. Very, very nice. Max, would you end it on the flip on GJ? Oh my god, Salomon, come on, man. The flip to where, bro? Look at the zone. The zone is fucking shit. The support is right there, like 8 pips away. It's a crappy zone. I'm just gonna wait until later on, until it might break this now, and then I'm gonna get it later on, or I'm just gonna wait for NY to take them. But at the moment, it's in this fucking shitty zone. Okay. 30 minutes made the top wick. If you got in on the flip over here, stop would be 22 pips for a 16 pip gain, so kind of a small range. Kind of a small ass range. So there you go. So if you take a look over people who've taken trades streaming today, people have taken a lot of L's. Why is that? Because price action is in a range, so we leave it, man. Hi Max, did you ever consider getting in the top wick on AJ to get a better entry and enter stops a sell limit? Oh, like the top wick it might make in the next candle, in this one right now?
This one's trickier because this candle is so big that if you get in at the previous resistance, you're still looking at 14 pip stop.
Yeah.
It works when it's like an even number. So if it's 12 from there and you're 12 from the flip, and it's opened without a bottom wick, it's nice. Like yesterday was a good one, but this one's a bit trickier now.
Yeah. It's looking nice. It's a shame it pushed in so far. I mean, To be honest with you, the zone's still 17 pips. If it came back up there, I mean, yeah, maybe try to do that. We'll see. If it comes back to there, I may just try and do like a 10 pip stop up there. Yeah. So AJ sells below 94.90. Yeah, but I'm still kind of intrigued in this because the zone isn't actually that bad. I mean, to the next support is 10 pips. So if I can get up over here, take a sell there with stop loss above, like there, could be kind of nice. So we'll see. Maybe like 777, 776, something like that. Because there's too much in the zones. I'd rather get in at a nicer price on the top wick and then ride it back down. But if it flips and breaks the low, then it's probably still going to continue. But the zone compared to the stops is just not nice for me. The RR is shit. So I really want this to kind of pump up here. So we'll see. Let's take a look what the hourly is doing. Yeah, hourly's nice. You can see here the hourly should come to this low, right? Very nicely. So we'll see about that. Could you view my chart? Yeah, just send me it for sure. Okay, 50-minute time frame, maybe breaking the lows now, which would be unfortunate. If it does, that's fine. It may retest back at 735. But we'll see. If it's not absolutely perfect with what I want, I ain't jumping in because it's moved too much in this zone.
Yeah, maybe the next 30-minute candle will make a nice stop wick first.
Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. What do you mean by flip? Because I hear flip all the time. Flip of the candle. So look, that candle's just flipped there. It's when it changes direction. So if I'm going to get in on the flip, that means I'm getting in on the flip of this candle. Or break of the lows would be there. All that kind of stuff. So still waiting. Later on, below 160, 190 is going to be delicious. Yeah. Not even 190 actually, maybe a little bit lower. Oof. Okay, so AJ's broken the low over here, should continue down to the support. For me, I don't have a nice entry, don't have a nice stop, so I'm just going to watch it. Just going to watch it continue down. Oh my god, it's a 10 pip stop, fucking hell. Nice. But yeah. So that goal looking like it's probably never gonna reflip in this area. Or did it flip? No. 50-minute close bullish now. So yeah, kind of in a little zone as well. When a candle comes along, you must flip it. So flip it good. Yeah, should continue down over here, but there's a minor support there, 582, so that's probably where I'd want to be break even in that area. So yeah, it's kind of a small zone. I only wanted to get in if I could get in back at these highs in the top wick, but I couldn't, so that's fine. That's actually good, yeah, when GJ like pushes too hard, wait into the top wick and then get the top wick, and you can get the same entry that you did before. That's kind of nice. Max, did you have to make your IC account for them to link you with payback effects? What? No, I linked one of my things. I'm still an affiliate of mine and of IC Markets. You just link that account to it to payback effects. Bro, I'm getting error payment because my bank is not allowing me for recurring payments. Try crypto or try PayPal. Then you should be good. Okay, Goldie coming back down again, but as I say, it's right at the hourly support. I don't know. I would want to be taking these sells. You may be able to squeeze some positions out. How much would this 30-minute top wick be? 25 pips, but it's just in a crappy area. So yeah, still got like another like hour or so. So, is there any way to buy every month? Nah, I can't do it, man, because people ask me to do that. But if I've got 30 people, I'll have to go and catch them up every single month, every single day, going, hi, can you send me some money? Like, it's too much work for me. That's why I have the bot. The bot does it. Gold sells below 1859. Let's take a look. Where are you getting 59 from? It's 1858.2 you'd want. 1859 is literally coming to support. Don't forget to like the stream. Exactly. Yeah, make sure to like up the stream. How long have you been trading for? Since I was 17. Are you not in AJ? No, brother. I wanted to get in up here. I wanted to get in up there to then ride it back down the zone. Still got time to do that, so we'll see. But may take a little longer. How to link my demo account to my FX book? I want to track my progress. Just go online. There's something called Google. Type it into Google, and then you'll probably get a YouTube video, and then just watch that. Hey Max, question about trading. Do you care what time 50-minute break the zone and closes? Like, if is first 50-minute an hour better, something like that? Yeah. So if you take a look at all the trades that I take, let's take a look over here. Is there any examples? Yeah, these are good examples of me. This one here, this one here. This one here. Actually, there's more. This one here. Sorry, there's more examples in the last month. 1 second. So, this one here, 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 all at the start of the hours. Yeah. They just work out nice. It's normally an open of a thing as well. So yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. AJ's coming back up over the 5-minute. The issue I have is that's pretty much tapped that support already. You see? I wanted that drive to the support at least, so I may just leave that. Quick question: if AJ closed 9800 and we got a bottom wick and flip exceeding the high, is that something you would take for a buy to retest the high it made? Also flipping the 4 hour. Yeah. I think I'd have it above 840. But yeah. I think I would. Because then the 4 hour will be flipping again, or you're pushing back up, got the daily with us, and we're rejecting this area. Yeah. I took GJ, ran 9 pips, then break even. Oh, did you hit break even?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a 9 pip fucker. That's an absolute disgusting.
I hate it. I just needed one more thing.
I hate everything about a 9 pip trade. I'd rather lose the fucking trade than have a 9 pip trade. How did you get in then, Bri?
Just the flip after the week. It was like 4 princess.
Oh, bless you. That's pretty damn close.
But it came to that. I mean, that daily lines on support structures. So
yeah.
It makes sense.
How do you know whether to enter on the 30-minute or the 50-minute? To be honest with you, most of our setups recently have been both. So like, when I go to my thing here, and I go to like my May or whatever, and I put in here, I could put in the 50-minute or the 30-minute in a lot of these because they're both the same. They look the same. Okay, so it's normally the start of an hourly, the next one's making a top wick, it's flipping, breaking the low of the previous. That's 15 and 30-minute time frame. So It's normally a bit of both, but I mean, whatever looks cleanest. But for the most part, if one of them doesn't look nice and the other one does, I probably would be a bit cautious about it. So I kind of want them both to look kind of nice.
The max about AJ to fill that week on 30 minutes, maybe closure.
I don't like it now, my man, because it's just retap that.
You know, I like to fill up the weeks.
I know you do. What, like there?
30 minutes last night. Yeah. Waiting for 30 minutes closure, week, and then on the flip.
Yes, yeah, I suppose.
Current low.
But I will think not. GJ rejecting possibly buy. Wait for 1 hour close. I'm cowboy. GJ buys now. Oh my god, someone's cowboy and GJ buys. Oh shit. They may work out over here. We got a cowboy. GG looks like there's a resistance being created at 168.28, looking good after resistance closed for sell. It's just go for it. Go for it. Go for it. I'm not asked in the slightest. I wanted to get out of this fucking range, so I'll sit here, wait patiently. Did we take a GJ trade yesterday? Oh yeah, we did. But the GJ buys, yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Uncle Ted is here. What? No, he's not. No, he's not. Let's take a look. There is no bad range. Just mark up the resistance 828. What are you on about? There's no bad range. Are you fucking retarded? Let me draw every single possible resistance and support in this area, okay? It's not a bad range. Okay, let me just do this over here. Okay. Some resistances there. How the fuck can you tell me that's not a bad range? Look at it. It's fucking awful. It's pain in the ass. It's absolutely disgraceful. I'm waiting for this to completely clear, and I'm gonna take a beautiful juicy trade later on if it does. If it doesn't, I'm gonna sit here and do the same thing tomorrow. Because are you marking on the 15-minute? Wow. I mean, okay, I'll go in the 30-minute. The 30-minute is still shit, bro. 30-minute support there. 30-minute resistance there. 30-minute down there. Sells below 587 is only viable on 30-minute. I don't know what you mean 828. That's the worst part. This is the worst area. But anyway, if you can see it, then go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go ham on it. But potential for me, I mean, the only thing I'd see is probably below 560, 550 if I wanted to. Don't really like that low wick there. But that actually zone to this level there is 377. So that's actually a big enough zone. Me done for the morning. Peace out. Yeah, see you later. Yeah, Uncle Ted is probably sleeping right now. Guys, I have a question. If someone made a more user-friendly software, would you switch from MetaTrader? Yeah, I mean, I'd still use TradingView, right? It's if something was better than TradingView, I'd use that. But the only thing different with TradingView that would change is the backtesting software in it. It's garbage. So there we go. Goldie closing bullish, 30-minute closing bullish. The 4-hour reflipping. Oh, taking buys right now would be nice. How much would the stops be? 27 pips. A little bit too much. But this looks like it's probably going to continue. Flip the 4-hour and continue bullish. So maybe a closure above 1864 later on. But yeah, getting a buy there would be nice. Stop loss would be 27 pips, so kind of beefy. So how much would that be? 23 pips. Yeah, might be able to squeeze it out. And there's AJ. Go, AJ, go. Close doji. So the hourly time frame, as we talked about, should come down to this low because hourly supports are very strong. You know, it should come down to 500 here. Very nice. So there you go. Can you see? Even if I can't get my entry, I'm always looking at how to. One second. Oh my god. Oh shit. 1 second. There we go. Okay, JA, please shut the fuck up now. You're kind of pissing me off. I'm putting you on timeout. Every fucking 3 minutes she goes, buy gold, buy GJ, buy gold, buy AJ. Like, shut the fuck up. If you really want people to do that, make your own live stream. There you go. You're buying gold now is in 10 pips drawdown, so shut the fuck up. Now making a low wick on the 30-minute time frame. Hourly closing in 28 minutes. Still got time. That's okay. That's okay. At that point, I'll just wait for NY. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, if this continues further down here, then maybe 550, because then it'll be flipping the daily. Look at the daily. Oh. Filling down to 159942. Oof. I would never buy gold, only have to break in 1865. Exactly. So yeah, there you go, GA. GA, thank you for that signal you put in the chat. Now it's in 16 pips drawdown. Well done. These fucking dudes, man.
Mr. Raja Max, huh?
Mr. Raja.
You be Mr. Raj?
I'm not Mr. Raja. Just people like that just fucking piss me off. Daniel taking another sell. Another sell on what? GJ? I like watching people trade the ranges is very, very interesting. Is he taking a sell right now? Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. On GJ, okay. It doesn't look like he's in the trade right now, but nice. I mean, sells, nice.
Hey Max, you saw my chart from this morning, the first one?
I what?
Oh, you saw my chart from this morning?
Oh shit, no, I haven't. One second.
On Telegram group for AJ. That was my with the daily analysis.
Oh, this is also daily retest. Waiting for bearish candle. Nice, man. That was good.
Yeah, now coming down.
Yeah.
I got 10 pips there on the retracement.
Yeah. Oh, did you actually get it? How far did it push up? Did it actually go anywhere near my thing? Oh my god, it nearly did. 790. Yeah, the stop's still a little bit. If that was like 10 pips there, bro, I'd have it there.
No, enter above there.
Oh, there?
No, above.
Oh wow. And higher
up. Or the first bearish candle. On the first bearish candle 15. Yeah.
That's nice, man. That's what I like to see.
I
fucking plan. You come in this chart.
Yeah.
You know what you want to see. It happens. You execute. Bob's your uncle. Seeing what you want to see, and then when it happens, just entering is so much easier than trying to find everything. That is an absolutely ridiculous trade there. Oh my god. I fucking ran like a bitch. Very nice. Max, I've noticed that most of your trades have been taken on New York lately. Yeah. The past, what's it called? Let's take a look. Yeah, last two there. Last week as well was 1, 2. So this month I've had 1 NY, 2 NY, 3 NY, 4. Yeah, 5 NY and 3 London. So yeah. Swapping. Genuinely though, guys, I really don't think like switching time zones and stuff. It just changes. I just got back from trolling Daniel. Oh my god. Mate, he's got 187 likes, man. Make sure to like up the stream. I've taught you discipline. You need to get more likes than his, man. I've taught you discipline today. There's absolutely no reason to take any trades in this crappy ass area. So just chill, save your bullets for a later date. Later on. And what you'll feel is you'll probably get an amazing trade in NY, and you go, wow, look, I've just made 1.4%. The contrast would have happened where you took a crappy trade here, you lost it. Now you took a good trade and you've won it. Now you're at break even, and now you're pissed off you took the morning trade. So even though it's annoying, you're just sitting here and you're like, bro, I just want to trade. There ain't nothing here. So there we go. Now gold is in 30 pips drawdown, so I'm glad I didn't take that signal from that guy. Gold sells below 594. No. Come on, bro. Just zoom out your chart a little bit more. 594 is right here. 594 is there. The next zone is scraping 10 pips, if that. The zone's too small. Oh my god. This gulag's fucking killing me today. If one more person tells me to fucking sell GJ, I swear to God.
Sell GJ.
GJ sell now. Yes, sell.
You're not gonna sell, man.
You're not
gonna sell, man.
Fuck yeah, I forgot all these rejection wicks. This would be in a sell. Oh my god. It's in a fucking range. Let me just make this absolutely horrendously big. There you go. No trade zone. Goat shit. Nice.
Good shit.
Sir, sell GG. Oh my god, these people. Look at Daniel's stream. Oh my god, he's taking a buy. Oh my god. Oh my god. How big are his stops? I mean, they've got some rejection wicks, so I mean, go for it. 4-hour time frame, an hour left, still got time to push up. Could be okay. This is what he does though. He takes a losing trade and then he takes a winning one to make it back. Like, wow, now you're broken even. I wish I had no moral compass so I could sell a new strategy every 3 months to idiots to make millions like Daniel. Oh my god. Max, I have a question if you can answer. Could we sell GJ? Oh my god. Waiting is the simplest yet hardest for some, eh? Yep. Why don't you pay attention to fundamentals? I do. I stay away from fundamentals because fundamentals will outdo your technicals tenfold, so you leave it alone. Yeah, I leave it alone. Max, you've got a great following, man. Yeah, some people seem to like my stream. What's the reason why people like this stream then compared to others? Because there's a lot of people now. You know, look, live streams. There's loads. Why do people like mine? Apart from my banging trades. Just take the opposite trade to Daniel. Oh my god. Not boring, a lot of value, awesome community. Yeah, I think the main thing is not boring. I think if it's boring, like, oh man, I couldn't think of anything worse than staring at a screen, not taking any trades, and being fucking bored with the person just.
And it's because there's not a lot of ego in the stream.
Yeah, that's true.
There's a lot of ego in some of the streams. You're just like, oh, can't be asked. You're not children.
Apart from Milan.
Yeah, that's true actually. Yeah, but I wouldn't say champion pips or DC trading the kind of ego people as well, to be honest.
No, they're okay.
Yeah. If I don't have much time to trade, can I use the same strategy with the 4-hour? I mean, it's not the same strategy because no, you can't. Yeah, let's just say that no, because I take 10 pips, but your stops in 4 hour are going to be huge. And I mean, if it makes a top wick and a bottom wick, I suppose, but nah. I don't know. I've never tried it. Someone could try it. That'd be quite cool. If it closes above 900, is this GJ or AJ? GG and AJ the same fucking price right now. So go to the 30-minute. Yeah. Because you stay in control and emotionally when you trade, which is a must and is surprisingly rare. 2, because you say how it is. Ah, nice. stay in control emotionally. Have you seen my fucking NY stream yesterday? I'm joking, by the way. I just make it a bit of fun. When we get Michael Jackson on in a trade, gotta boogie a little bit. Come on, Hourly, finish the move, man. Jesus Christ, you've been taking forever. But why has it been taking forever? Well, I mean, the zone is a bit bad, but I thought it would push it a little bit quicker than that. A little bit quicker than that, I'd hope. Just taking sells after seeing Daniel to go by. Oh my god. Well, the 4 hours bearish is right. The daily time frame is, you know, rejecting the highs. The hourly time frame is very, very bearish. So, yeah, I'm. There's just nothing for me. It's, you know, if you take a look at all the trades I've taken on stream, and if you see me take any trades between the 4 hour and the daily, I'll highly doubt it unless it's a very, very good setup or like a closure back in there. So I'm not gonna change the way I trade for that. That is the absolute best thing that's happened to me though. Doing the live streams and just going through the motions and like explaining every single little bit is so important for me. And for you guys, I have to explain everything. So if I take a dumbass fucking trade in a zone, everyone takes it, lose, and go, Max, what the fuck was that? You go, yeah, you know, that was a pretty ass trade. You can't fuck up live. Live is live. I got like messages on Instagram yesterday going, oh, Max, why don't you show us everything, or your MetaTrader, or like all this stuff. I'm like, yeah, I can if I want to, and I will do it very, very shortly, I think. But you know, I'm not getting forced to do it. Also, I trade live, so that's the trading live is the be all and end all with showing transparency. You can't fake a fucking live account. Trading live. Man will tell you if you're shit. Yeah. Surely Savage is not going to get slapped twice in one stream. You probably move his stops a little bigger, right? That's what I would do. Yeah, it stops. The thing is though, it stops. Oh my god, let me put this quality up. It stops at 550. So it stops in a nice place. If it breaks that low, then yeah, he is royally fucked. So I mean, if it closes below there, then bro, I'm taking sells. God dang. Do you take any trades in the break between London and NY? Absolutely not. Sometimes at 11:15, 11 o'clock, maybe 11:30, but for the most part, nope. Just because there's it's just the volume isn't there for most parts. I mean, if you join the mentorship and we go through simulations, what I'll do is after like 9:30 I'll go right, and I expect now price to range, and then I click it like 10 times and it's just fucking range the whole time. There's one time or two times in the month where maybe at 10 o'clock it pushes, but for me it's not worth staring at the charts another fucking 3 hours. So yeah, I think you guys all agree with me here. Does anyone actually take like 10 o'clock trades or like, you know, 10, 15, 10:30s in the chat and like are pretty profitable with it?
I'm not even in front of the screen at that time anymore.
Yeah. A currency meter. This is the Chinese fucking thing that Raja talks about. I mean, if this helps you, then fair enough. But for me, I mean, all I gotta do is look at the charts, right? So yeah, I don't really need the currency strength because they're getting that data from the change in price in these charts, which you can just see here. Right then, fuckwits, what crypto should I buy with all this shit. Let's take a look. XRP is at 0.42, so 42 pence. Oh, XRP. Fuck, I sold it at 56. What an absolute fucking profit. Put it back in a Bitcoin. I just don't know if I want that stress in my life anymore. I trade all day. I trade with my own money. I just like fucking bricks and water now. I'm just gonna throw all my money into fucking houses. Just can't be asked. I hate looking at your portfolio and like one day it's up 10%, next day it's down 20. It's like, oh my god, this is painful. Okay, look at that gold now. Gold has made a nice rejection wick, so now buys could be potentially nice, but it's 27 pips stop. Hourly's closing in 30 minutes time. I think now it should continue up, but I'm still probably just going to wait until 1865. So it looks like Mr. Savage over here may lose, and I may be looking for sells. I hope it closes below 565. Very nice. And also the good thing, it's coming towards the hourly close. If this hourly closes here, makes a nice top wick and then drives, I don't see why not. If it doesn't do that though, then fucked. Take a look over here. It doesn't have many people on Zoom, right? Oh, you might do, but they just don't have their cameras on, right? Yeah, that'll be it.
Cool thing is, if this is the fake out, it's gonna fucking rip.
Of 20 pips, gonna close full. Oh my god. That fucking dude before literally said, just taking sells after seeing Daniel took a buy, and he's just closed 20 pips. Oh my god. Okay, 11 minutes left for this. Take a look at the 15. I mean, if it breaks that 50-minute high, why not? But the issue you have is the stop is kind of big, but it will go nowhere near that. You could probably just use an 18 pip. Why do I know it will go nowhere near that, probably? Well, because the last 30-minute made a nice rejection wick again already. But all you could do is just wait for a safer trade above here. The only difference is if you get in here right now, and you start blasting off here, the lower wick will survive and your runner will continue pretty nicely. It's the only way you'd want to get in a bit earlier.
Let's go, GJ. Clearing the zone.
Is it? Oh, nice.
I'm waiting for that AJ.
Oh, 11 minutes left. Oh, no.
I like AJ more.
I fucking hate it. When there's like a setup looking good and you've got 11 minutes left, it's kind of like, oh, it's going to run, isn't it? And you're like, hold on, you hold your horses. Daily.
Same like AJ, same zone.
Is it?
Maybe taking both.
Oh yeah, I might do AJ.
AJ is cleaner.
Yeah, AJ
I
is
agree
much
with Milan.
cleaner.
Yeah.
It is much cleaner.
Also.
Oh yes, finally some fucking trades to be taken. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, just making daily now. Flip.
I have a feeling this is gonna push down hard. I might miss this GJ move. Yeah, there you go. There you go. GJ, bye. GJ, bye. Daniel rage quitted the stream. No.
Savage took another L.
Oh my god, he rage quit.
Stream stuff.
Dr. Dollar rage quit.
Oh my god.
Today.
Savage just rage quit. Sometimes you gotta rage quit though, every so often when you take it now. Daniel will delete the stream. Oof. Max, don't think AJ will be cleaner? Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Nice strong candles as well. Look at the daily candle. Oh, yes, boy. 4 hours got an hour left. It's kind of strong now, so I mean, yeah, it looks good, man.
Yeah, the first time Milan was right about AJ.
First time that, well, who was right?
Milan.
Yeah, but Milan, look what you did though. You literally were looking. You're keeping the bias of the higher time frames, like I've been telling you, and then you wait for some resistance to form, and then there you go.
No, I meant from this morning.
No, I'm
almost 100 pips. Almost 100 pips.
No, I know, but I'm telling you, I'm getting you to look like to think about more of the higher time frames and just go, you know what, this is bearish today. Let's just wait for the sells. Instead of looking at like a couple 30-minute candles that look maybe bullish, just focus on the bigger picture.
This is nice for impulsively on the low.
Impulsively? Well, I am not doing that shit. The zone's way too big for me to be scared about it. To be jumping in right now, I'd rather just wait. What a nice rejection.
Too big for profit.
So we'll see. Daniel Savage just deleted his live stream video from his channel. Oh god. Max, I'll come with an alternative solution for your payment. My 2 cards and PayPal is rejected. Okay. Wicked, my man. Max, would you consider that GJ made a back at the zone setup on the 5-minute? Oh, 5 minutes is very low time frame though. Do you mean just closure below? But yeah, it looks pretty good. Right, this is gonna be nice, man. Oh, runners could be kind of nice here. Not gonna lie. Oh. This target should be here on the 15-minute at 250. Very good, very nice. So we'll see. 7 minutes left for this closure. I see a trade is incoming. Yes, maybe Joel. Yeah. That's what I thought as well. It's very clean. Oh, don't push all the way down. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, come back up here. Well, not now, but close here. Make a top wick back to 561 and then fucking break that low. Bitch!
Yeah, but just remember, AJ, sometimes no big top wick.
I know.
That's the only problem with, yeah.
Shut up.
You just haven't shut up. You fucker. Fuck you and your 100 pip trade this morning.
This is it. This is it. 50 pips.
Alright.
This is it. 50 pips. Yeah. AJ looks 10 times better than GJ, so. So let's take a look. Nice top wick. Nice flip and break of the lows. A bosh. So we'll see. It will just melt 5 minutes before the closure. Well, maybe. And if so, then that's fine. That's fine as well. Max, your emotions are so much in check, that is incredible. Yeah. Where will stops be? On the current top wick that it makes. So this candle should open like this, the next one should make a top wick. I enter on the flip or the break of the lows, and then my stop loss is gonna be there. Top wick at least like I want like 6-7 pips, I think. At least. So yeah. Max, can you send me a PayPal? Yeah, if you pay for 3 months up front, then I'll just put you in. I can live with that. That's fine. It's just when it comes to like monthly, you have to keep on fucking reminding people. 142 likes, guys. Make sure you get them likes up over here. Let's get it. Should I share my email ID? I'll message you on Telegram after. I can see you on Telegram. Don't worry about it. I'll message you. Why the 50-minute, not the 30? Well, if you had one brain cell, you'll realize that is going to be the same trade. Why? Well, because the hourly's closing, so it's going to be the top wick of the 30 minutes. It's also going to be the top wick of the hourly. It's going to be everything. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Should be good. 3 minutes left for this closure. Would you still take profit at 10 pips considering take more since it's really high probability entry? Or depends how it pushes. If it depends how it pushes. If it's pushing nicely, then yeah, I may try and hold it to 250. If not, then I'll take 10 pips. We'll see. Let me just make this a little bit less beefy. Gold looks better. Are you fucking alright? Gold looks better than AJ right now, does it? Wow, I must be blind or something, because gold looks like shit. Gold is in the zone from 1864 to 1858. The same range it's on the hourly, so yeah. Max, I've noticed that most of my losses on GJ are buys. Do you think that's just a coincidence? No, my losses are also on buys as well. Buys just don't. Buys are just hard. What I'm trying to get into now is on the lower wicks of buys, so you get a little push and then break even, because break of the highs and for buys just never work. Sells, on the other hand, they just dump. GJ buys are hard. You got to get in a lot earlier. So like the way that like Daniel trades or Dr. Dollar trades for buys of GJ work so much nicer. So Uncle Fed. Someone's called himself Uncle Fed. That's great. Look at gold on the hourly. Let's take a look. It's closing in a minute's time. It's just flipping now. It's got hourly support right there. I would not be touching that. Wow, look at GJ retracing. No, AJ, don't. After all that time. After all that time, I wanted to close below. It's like, nope. I'm not doing it anymore, bitch. And a minute left. Come on. Oh my god, imagine. Oh my god. That kind of came out of nowhere. Oh, sorry. I'm so fucking ill. Okay, we've still got a minute left. Come on, boy. Come on. Close. No. Don't stay in the range forever. I swear to God. Look at that GJ. Where could the FOREX continue down to? Yeah, 1854. Closure below 1858 would be nice. What about NJ? I don't trade NJ. Send me a chart though, I'll take a look at it. Okay, so closing above, unfortunately. Oh, hits me in the heart. Hits me in the heart. No. The 30-minute didn't close above either, below either. God dang it. That'd be nice. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly right support as well. Let me just put this back on over here.
Hey Max, my 1 hour closed below.
Yeah, it's Oanda thing.
No wonder.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake. Why is it so different recently?
I'm gonna enter this one.
Go for it.
My 1 hour closed below.
Yeah, I'll take a look at it in a sec, actually. Wanda. Right, let's take a look.
Yeah, it closed below like 1 hour support.
Yeah, exactly.
But if you go on the lower time frames, like for example 15 minutes, it closed.
Close right on it. What are you on? I'm on 08. Oh, never mind.
It's still about. Yeah. Basically.
Sorry.
Some allowed to use no Wanda. But yeah, I mean the hourly's closed below, but the 30-minute and the 50-minute have not. So I mean, I'm not gonna risk that.
30 did the other one.
Oh, Milan.
Yeah, closed.
Bing, bing, bing,
bing, bing, bing, bing, bing, bing, bing.
I put a sell stop on the low.
I bet you did. To be honest with you, that's not even like a bad thing, even like for me, because I mean the stop is nice right now, but yeah, it hasn't broken below, it hasn't closed below, so that kind of sucks balls. Let's take a look at GJ closure. Oh, GJ did close below.
Wait for another candle on GJ.
Do you think?
Then see how it closes, because then the range is still 20, it's still 27, 7 pips. So I'm gonna wait. Maybe we get a small bearish close.
Yeah. I might just continue here. Oh, AJ, everyone enter an AJ. So we'll see. Yeah, I may wait for an extra one on GJ maybe, because that zone is still nice, right? It's not bad, is it? It's not bad. Okay, so I think AJ is nearly flipping over here. Interesting to see if it works out. AJ flipping. So your stops, would you have it on the current high? 6 pips. It could be okay. It's a shame that I closed just right on it. Oh wow, you're gonna be flying over here. Take a look at GJ. Oh, nice. Yeah, maybe wait for the next candle on GJ. Gold is melting. Come on, guys, man. What the fuck are you guys talking about? Gold is melting. It's moved fucking 2 pips. What the fuck? Gold is melting.
We could also wait for AJ next candle.
Yep, that's true.
It's still better range than GJ. GJ has like those 2 supports.
Yeah. Agreed. Yeah, I mean you can just wait for the next 50 minutes. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Let's take a look. 2 pip melted. When would you sell AJ? A next 50-minute candle closure. So I'm gonna wait for this next candle to close like this. Next we'll make a top wick. Bosh. If it does that, if it doesn't do that, then yeah, I mean people getting in early may be okay. For GJ now, yeah, we'll see. Raja Tanks and Uncle Fed. There's Raja Tanks. That's sick. Raja Tanks and Uncle Fed. We're melting, yeah. I was expecting gold to be like down here, and I'm like, what the fuck? How the fuck is that melting? It's literally moved like 1 pip from the entry like 4 minutes ago. So you're getting on the low, Milan? 12 pips on the previous high. I mean, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. I think I may just wait for this next closure. It's a shame that both fucking can't. I mean, I have a feeling I may miss this if it breaks the low. But I'm just gonna be reserved and I'm just gonna wait because it didn't really close on mine and. Oh, it kind of closed on my IC markets, I think.
Yeah, he did. Everything is good.
How much should the stops be there? Like 13 pips. Okay, so you're gonna enter. I'm gonna paper trade this. So I haven't taken this. Just want to see how it works, how I'd manage risk and all that kind of stuff. So it'll be there. Let me just write. It's a paper trade, everyone. Paper trade. So I haven't taken it. Just want to see how it'd work out. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes. Is there any way I could really manage right now? No, 5 minute close bearish though, so it's looking nice to continue down. See if it works out. But the reason why I'm not taking this, not taking as didn't close below. But yeah, I want to, just because I know some people will be in this, I want to show you how to like manage risk. If I can help you do that, it's a good example of doing it over here. Just 8 minutes left for this GJ closure. We'll see. So we'll see. This guy didn't show real-time vaccinations. Oh god. AJ needs to break previous low to free falling hard. Yeah. Hasn't broken it yet, right? Oh no, sorry, it has. It has broken it. So yeah, you would be in this. Gold's melting again, guys. Oh my god. 100 pips. Yeah, exactly, Alfie. That's why I'm waiting for the next 15. Good point. You know, the zone is big enough. Just wait for this 15 to close. Then I'll be getting into a proper trade. EJ needs to break previous low, yeah. Milan, are you in this now?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Oh yeah, it hasn't broken the low on my IC
Didn't
markets.
break the previous. Mine's not.
Yeah. So I'm probably gonna jump in this trade after we get a closure below. What's NAS 100 and US 30 spreads on IC markets? Are they there? NAS. Oh, I have no idea what the fucking signs are.
It's under US 100, I think.
Yeah, or it's US Tech, I think. It could also be that. US Tech, maybe.
I've got US Tech there. Let's do US 1. Fuck.
Like 2 or 20, depending on price, you know.
I think it's all the same. Oh, there's US 30 there. That's okay. What the heck? 10 pips. And that's like one pip spread, I think. Whatever that is. Whatever that measurement is. I don't know what the measurement is.
Yeah, it's 1.
So you'd be in a little bit of drawdown here. I still think it's still reasonable if you were in this. But yeah, I mean, people who are wanting to get in this now, I'd probably just wait now for the 5 minutes close. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get ready to do that. So let me just get rid of this now. Because I might actually enter this trade now.
Let's check up let's move to
I want to get below there.
Let's check it.
Oh, fucking Milan. Right. So, 4:30, I think it would be around that area. Just writing a little signal just in case this candle closes bearish, then we break the low. That would be kind of nice. Have you seen?
Stop loss current one.
This one here? Yeah. Yeah, maybe the top wick. We'll see. Oh,
it's like 14 pips.
Yeah, it's kind of a lot, right? We'll have to see. Might have to get in on the flip. We'll see. That guy thinks it's Uncle Ted. It's not Uncle Ted, bro. It's Uncle Fed. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, look at that 5 minutes. Still look at the 5 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute violating, 1 minute violating. So yeah, we'll wait. Sorry. I'm dying over here. Oh. So yeah, it looked like GJ completely rejected. We wanted that nice little closure to continue. Looking like we're not getting that yet. DA FOREX? Question mark. What about DA FOREX? I learned from DA FOREX. Very good trader.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
1 minute violating highs. 1 minute violating highs. Uncle Fed sounds like an NPC. Oh my god. So getting in early there wouldn't have worked out. And why didn't it work out? Well, because it didn't close below, bitch. So that paper trade for me, you couldn't have managed risk either, really. I mean, maybe that 5-minute close bullish. For me, that is an example of doing a paper trade, and I knew that this was going to struggle if it didn't close below, and it didn't. Rejected, didn't close below on FXCM, and it may be closing back above now. So I think this whole stream has been a very, very good show of discipline in your trading, all that good stuff, because there's no trades taken. You wouldn't consider gold. Oh my god, Lash. I want sells below 1858. Melting. It's literally been sitting around here for fucking 10 minutes. 15 minutes it's been sitting around here. I want sells below here. On 15. But it's 9:15, so if it doesn't happen in 3 minutes, then probably gonna leave it up over here. I'm gonna go on to the we're gonna go on to the homework straight away. Can you look at it on the Can you look at it on the 15-second chart, please? So there we go. AJ blasting all the way back up, but that's what happens. Didn't really close below, so. This is why, you know, getting in with impulses and stuff like this are gonna hurt you every so often. Your win rate is not gonna be as, you know, as big as mine or as big as someone who waits to close as a controller. So you gotta take that with a pinch of salt. Sometimes it'll work and it'll move nicely. Oh my fucking god, Brian! I have been asked this morning about gold for fucking hours. About 1,500 times I've been asked about gold. Can you not just see, if you pulled up a chart and you look left, and there's fucking shit there to the left? It's not nice. I don't think he's shit, to be honest. Oh my god. Gold melting! Oh my god, gold is literally melting to the floor. It's literally at 1,800 already. God, my fucking... It's just melting, bro. 289 people, 156 likes. Make sure you like the stream up. I really want to take a nice trade for you guys in London, but at the moment there isn't one, and they're happening at NY. But it always changes. The past 2 weeks, 3 weeks on London session, I've been smashing the trades. So you just gotta wait. I mean, did I take a trade on Friday? Oh no, I haven't taken a trade.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, but not, that big one in London though. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was NY.
Ah, that's okay then. Nah, I was definitely one in London at one point. That's okay then. So let me just tweak it up over here. GV weak signal coming through. Yeah, it's kind of weak. It's kind of weak, I suppose. So just closed over here. 50-minute close bullish back above. Well, this one didn't really. This nearly closed below, but it didn't really. AJ solidifying that this is a big area of support, so you've got to be careful. So for me now, I think I'm probably gonna wait for NY, because there's nothing that I can really see that's going on over here. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it off here. Thank you very much, YouTube people in the Zoom. I'm gonna do the homework right now, so stay in. I'm gonna put in a message in the chat, and I'm gonna do the homework. And yeah, so thank you very much, YouTube, for coming on. Make sure to join the mentorship if you want to come and join us for NY session. Over 130 people chilling, vibing in NY, taking some beautiful trades. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to drop a like before you leave, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. But be careful, very rangy day, so peace out, man. See you later.